sorry for this is a bit of a rushed video, but I'm running out of time at Carowinds. I'm finally resuming my theme park arcade video series. This time again at Carowinds. Yeah, check it out, there's a summer special going on here. Unfortunately, I'm not going to have time to play any of the games, but let's walk around and check it out. Mario at a theme park. Or amusement park anyway. Look at that. A ready station is pretty common these days at small arcades, but it looks like this ready station is not ready. Got some Marvel stuff over here, another claw game. Bluey. Some Lego. Bluetooth gamepad, looks like a Super Nintendo controller. Interesting. Pokemon. You play this game, you do. Yes, that's right, have to catch them all. These look like chicken tenders? Oh yeah, chicken and chicken nuggets. Can't call them chicken McNuggets, but interesting. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of nudes. Over here, I can't say this without laughing. Whack and win, come on. Don't call it skee ball, it's ice ball. I like ice games, they make some good stuff. Hoops over here, also ice. Pop the Lock, it's been around for a little while. So is the black hole. This is the black hole of the first generation. That was a Wet n Wild joke. Okay, so it's not all claw games, but there's a lot of claw games. Check out the Japanese Godzilla poster, that's cool. Sus, this is very sus. The old Jurassic Park ride. Of course, you have to have some air hockey. Apparently some air hockey. This is the only one I see so far. Super Bikes 3. Oh, yeah, the Nerf arcade game. I've seen this before. This is Raw Thrills. What the heck? Stinky... I've never seen this one before. Stinky Feet. Okay. It's one of those water games where you spray the screen. One of those wheel games, but I've never seen one with a LED screen on the wheel. That is interesting. Here's a big ass wheel. All in to win. And of course you have Down the Clown. Here's a staple that has been in arcades since the 80s. The Cyclone. Very low maintenance, high return I would think, because there's almost nothing to do to keep this running and people just put money in it. Back in the day it used to be quarters, but now of course it's just a card. Pearl Fishery, I saw this at IAPA, I think last year. It might have been around longer than that, but forget if this is... forget who makes this. Oh yeah! Hey, I had to say that. Oh yeah, more claw games. Whoa, drippy. I said, good day, sir. Of course you have the Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory game here. Collect cards. This is interesting. It's the Wizard of Oz, but it's only half game. I didn't know they made a half version of this. Usually it's all around like, usually it's like this. But I guess there is a second one. And yes, another claw game. Hello there. And a little dated now, Spinner Frenzy. Another take on the balloon pop game. You will most likely not win this. Here are the prizes. Some bigger ones over in the lower here. And it continues over there. And that is a look at the arcade here at Carowinds. I don't know if I'll be going to any more theme parks that I haven't shot the arcades of anytime soon, but maybe at Universal Studios Hollywood. But thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the price shop.